Go! Princess? Go, Caitlin. Whose birthday today? Whose birthday today?
Yung Caitlin show. Today's my Kuromi birthday.
Kuromi? Why?
Because it's like Kuromi.
Okay.
And something to eat. Guys, look. Did you saw that?
Yeah, I did see.
That's a big splash.
Yeah, big splash. Careful, te. Wow!
Guys, look.
That's a big splash, ate. You'll see later. Ah. Jasmine. Ate. Say Ate Jasmine. Ate, are we done with the Princess Ellie show for this day? This segment, can I switch off now? Finish? This segment of Princess Ellie show. It's okay?
No! No!
Not yet? It's already 2 minutes. You want a longer one? Okay. Jasmine. Ate Jasmine. Jasmine, kumain ng ice cream? Ice cream? Cake. Not like?